Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a great morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hit the like button, and share my content. And please leave a comment. I absolutely love the comments. Today I have some amazing news. You can see it on the screen. Coinbase Pro starting today. Inbound transfers for ADA are now available in the regions where trading is supported. Traders cannot place orders and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin after 9 a.m. on Thursday, March 18th. If liquidity conditions are met, and liquidity conditions will be met, by all means, you will see people getting ADA on Coinbase Pro, and then eventually it'll get added to Coinbase. So ADA, I kept saying to my wife, why is ADA not on Coinbase? This is a big thing. This is huge news. Whenever a coin gets added to Coinbase, you see a surge in liquidity. It's easier for the average coiner to get in. You know, you don't have to be a deep diver and have all these different exchanges to find your way onto Coinbase. So shout out to everyone who is in ADA still. We got into ADA at 8 cents, and I've been making videos about ADA, and I absolutely love Cardano, one of my favorite projects. So I'm going to give you a little deep dive into the price action, show you what's going on. If you would like to dabble or to grab some ADA, maybe my analysis could help you. So stay tuned for that. If you want more analysis, every morning at 9:30 a.m., I do a live stream from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. and I go over Bitcoin dominance, total too, and then I do tickers for everybody, and we go over a bunch of altcoins. We do deep dives. We look for coins that are up and coming. People send in super chats. We have a great time. So if that's something that you think would excite you, then come on in to my live stream tomorrow at 9:30. Okay, let's get into the technical analysis for Cardano now that we know the big news is coming and Cardano is probably going to move. You can always support me here at the Willow link. I'll put the link in the description, and I really like it. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can also just hit this button and support me with your PayPal linked account. Pretty awesome. Shout out to Willow for setting that up for content creators. Really like that. Interestingly enough, I went over ADA today on the live stream. I actually gave a call. I said, there's your buy zone right there. Look, already in profits on the buy zone had you taken the call. We didn't even know it was going to get added to Coinbase yet. We were preemptive on this, but it looked bullish to me. It looked very bullish. The daily was pointing to the upside. We have the MACD turning, and everything looked beautiful. I had a stop loss here just in case for you, but there's your buy zone, and we will probably not get to that stop loss. It looks like ADA will continue all the way to my target at $2.23. So ADA on its way and continuing to rip. Hidden bullish divergence right there established, telling me that the trend will continue. If you don't know what I'm saying, you can take a tutoring session with me for $100, and I will explain all these things with you. I'll give you a PowerPoint you can take home and a list of guidelines that you can use to become a better trader. So if that's something you really like, hit me up on my Telegram in the link below, and then you can @me and you can get into the tutoring program if that is something you like. You could also join the Patreon and get more exclusive information, like my list of NFT calls that I've made recently that I'm getting into, or the trade that I made last night that I did not discuss with my YouTube channel, but I did discuss with my Patreon members. So that's just something to bring up. Now, ADA about to do its thing, going up to $2.23. I really see this target hitting not too long from now. How to get in if you see a big candle like this? Well, the 1 hour is ripping. So, I mean, this is gonna, wait for this candle to close. And honestly, that's a breakout. This is a positional buy right here. $1.25 could be a perfect entry for ADA and never look back as we get all the way to $2.25. You could 100% your money not too long from now. Again, none of this is financial advice. Don't do anything you see me do on this channel. Get yourself your own financial advisor and do your own due diligence. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I am entertained and I am buying ADA, and I bought ADA at 8 cents, and I might even take a nibble right here because this is a really good place where I believe ADA is going to continue to the upside. As it gets added to Coinbase, we're going to see the liquidity explode. So I just wanted to put this on your radar, show you guys the trades, and show you how we stay up to date. We were hours ahead of this move, and that's what you will be. You will also be hours ahead of moves like this, days ahead, weeks ahead of giant pumps if you join my channel and you do the research and you become a crypto lifer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video, and share this content. Leave a comment. I really appreciate it. I will be back with more content like this daily. Crypto is life.